Hi P2, this is week 2 of our Friday dictation. So we're focusing on CVC words where the middle vowel is E. I'm going to dictate 4 simple sentences. They're going to have the words that you were learning this week in them. I want you to listen first and don't write anything until I've called out each sentence twice. Please remember to start each sentence with a capital letter, to end each sentence with a full stop, and to use finger spaces between your words. Okay, let's go. The hen is red. The hen is red. The men had a pen. The men had a pen. He has a den. He has a den. Mum and Dad. Mum and Dad.